The primary cleaning phase is complete. Inspect the port side for integrity. Mark the damaged areas. We're bringing in the first replacement section.
Line it up there. Almost got it. Almost got it. Yes, there. Keep sanding that section. Move to the right side of the cowling next. The engine assembly is complete.
Wiring secured. Moving on to diagnostics.
Still foggy, but clearer now.
Careful with those tools.
Almost ready to go. Give it a minute. Looks pretty bad here. Yeah, need to clear this out first. All right, panels are off. Clear the glass and grab that debris from inside. Extensive wiring exposed here. Note that structural damage to the fuselage, significant. Remove loose component 1, serial 769. Copy that. Windshield completely shattered. All right, let's start with this nose section. Heat it up, give it a good strike. Just a few more hits, and it's aligned.